Okay, find the lesser of two consecutive integers with sum greater than 16. Okay, so consecutive integer means if one is x, the other one is just one bigger, comes one out right after x. Okay, so if their sum is greater than 16, which means 2x plus 1 is greater than 16. So 2x is greater than 15 and x has to be greater than 7.5. Okay, which means the smallest x that it can be is 7. Right, and the smallest, so the two numbers we're talking about here is 7 and 8. Okay, that's the smallest. So the lesser of the two has got to be 7. Okay, this is assuming that we want the smallest possible option for this inequality to be satisfied. Of course, you know, like 8, 9 will work, 9, 10 will work. They will all add up to something greater than 16 as well.